Okay, there's a strange bird out here that looks a lot like someone's escaped Budgie. I think I've seen this guy before too. Yeah, Sally, thank you. We don't need any gab from you. These other little guys are still working it. This is day 5 of this particular snowstorm, and the snow has stopped for now. The wind is absolutely brutal, and we've never seen snow like this. I haven't been out of the, well, I was out today, but I hadn't been out of the house for 4 days. Yeah, that's a budgie. I don't know how he's working it out here, but there you go. Good on you, Mr. Budge. At least you can get the food. I guess I better put some more seeds out there. Oh, Christ. Oh, shit, I'm still...